Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Garneta Putri Alivia, and today I'm going to present a review novel of thrilling and emotionally intense novel. Title is Always the Husband by Michelle Comtable. This psychological thriller explored the dark side of friendship, loyalty, and consequence of hidden secrets. Let's begin by getting to know the main character. The novel revolves around five key characters. First, Kate Eastman. She is wealthy, beautiful, and manipulative. Her troubled personality causes chaos in the life of those around her. Next is Jenny Vega. Ambitious and determined, she comes from a modest background and often struggles between doing the right thing and protecting her social status. Then we have Audrey Garrett, street smart and strong-willed but emotionally scared. Lucas is the victim of a past tragedy, deeply involved in the early events of the story. And finally, Jenny husband, who hides his desire for revenge and ultimately becomes the killer. Each character plays a crucial role in building the suspenses and emotional tenses of the novel. The next slide is setting. The story is set in two main locations, Charlotte College and where the three women, Kate, Jenny, and Audrey, first meet and from their complex friendship, and Belle Ridge, New Hampshire, where they are reunited 20 years later. Cartland represents the beginning, the origin of their intense and messy relationship, while Belle Ridge becomes the place where all their secrets began to surface again. The shifting timeliness between past and present and the dark, suspenseful tone, the match, the emotional weight each character carries. Okay, the next slide is the novel opens with a chilling scene. A woman falls from a bridge in Belle Ridge. It appears to be a tragic accident, but as the story progresses, it becomes clear that deeper secrets lie behind this event. This woman is connected to the three college friends, Kate, Jenny, Audrey, whose friendship, although strong on the outside, was built the jealous betrayal and hidden pain. The tragic opening set the tone of a dark journey into their shared past. Next, as the story builds, the dark truth is revealed. Kate has actually married Lucas back in college. Instead of turning her in, Jenny and Audrey help her to cover it up. But this was not out of friendship, it was out of fear. Kate's powerful father forced them to remain silent, using his influence to bury the truth. As the secret returns to the surface in the present, the truth between the friends begins to fall apart. Each woman is forced to face the consequences of their past decision and their failure to do the right thing. In the final capture, the biggest betrayal is uncovered. Kate is murdered not by one of the women but by Jenny's husband, who turns out to be Lucas' cousin. He never forgot Kate's role in Lucas' death and acted on his long-held grudge. Even more shocking is Audrey's silence. She knew what he planned but did nothing. Her silence was driven by years of resentment and unresolved anger, especially after learning that Kate had an affair with her husband. This ending showed that behind the mask of friendship were lies, manipulation, and revenge. The title takes on a double meaning. It's not always just the husband, but sometimes it is also the friend who lets it happen. So, the next slide is personal review. Personally, I found this novel very intense and emotionally powerful. The psychological depth of each character made them feel real, even when they were felt or unlikable. I really appreciated the way the story jumped between timeliness, which kept me engaged and made the final twist even more satisfying. The plot was unpredictable and the ending felt shocking but also justified. It is the kind of story that stay with you even after you finish reading. So the next slide. This novel taught me several important lessons. First, even close friendships can hide deep darkness. Second, the power and privilege can be used to silence the truth. Third, the people aren't always who they seem to be. It reminded me to be careful about who I trust and to understand that loyalty without honesty can be dangerous. Thank you so much for listening to my review. I hope this presentation gave you some insight into It's Always the Husband and maybe even inspired you to read it yourself. See you in the next presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.